If you're thinking about investing but don't know where to start, or maybe just want a simpler way to grow your savings without constant oversight, you might have come across Betterment.com. This online investment platform is popular for its ease of use and automated approach, allowing even beginners to get a good grip on investing without having to become financial experts. But what exactly is Betterment? How does it work? And what happens to your money once you invest it? Let's break it down. First, what is Betterment? Betterment is one of the most well-known robo-advisors, an online financial service that uses technology to manage your investments automatically. It was launched back in 2008 with the goal of simplifying the investment process for people who may not have time, experience, or interest in managing investments on their own. It's essentially a hybrid between a traditional financial advisor and a do-it-yourself investing app, combining the convenience of automation with tried-and-true investment principles. Betterment provides a wide range of features, from personalized investment plans to tax-efficient strategies, so it tailors its services to your financial goals and risk tolerance. With an interface that's both beginner-friendly and effective for seasoned investors, Betterment aims to help you meet your financial goals while doing as much of the heavy lifting for you as possible. How does Betterment work? Betterment takes the fuss out of investing by using algorithms to create and manage a portfolio that aligns with your personal financial goals. When you first sign up, you're asked a series of questions about your financial situation, risk tolerance, and what you're hoping to achieve, whether that's saving for retirement, a big purchase, or building general wealth. Based on your responses, Betterment sets you up with a diversified portfolio that fits your needs, taking into account your time horizon and willingness to take on risk. Here's a snapshot of what the process typically looks like. Betterment allows you to set specific financial goals, like saving for retirement or buying a home. Each goal can be managed separately with its own risk level and timeline. Betterment's algorithms recommend a mix of stocks and bonds to suit your needs. Your portfolio is automatically rebalanced and managed, so if the market changes, Betterment adjusts accordingly to keep your investments aligned with your goals. You can set up automatic deposits so that you're investing regularly without even thinking about it. Betterment also applies tax-saving strategies, like tax loss harvesting, to help you keep more of your money. Although it's mainly automated, Betterment offers access to human financial advisors for those who want some additional guidance, either as part of a package or as an extra service. Betterment's model works well for those who want to set it and forget it. Unlike traditional investment options that require constant tracking and adjustments, Betterment lets you invest with ease by handling the details for you. How is your money invested? Once you've set your goals and deposited your money, Betterment puts it to work using a diversified mix of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These ETFs are designed to represent a wide range of asset classes, from U.S. stocks and international stocks to bonds and other fixed-income securities. Here's how it generally breaks down. Stocks and bonds. Betterment invests in a mix of U.S. and international stocks and bonds to spread out your risk. Stocks help with growth, while bonds provide stability and income. ETF selection. ETFs are preferred due to their lower cost, liquidity, and diversification. Betterment uses a combination of ETFs from reliable providers like Vanguard and iShares, focusing on low-fee options to maximize your investment returns. Custom allocation based on risk. Your specific mix of stocks and bonds is based on the risk level you're comfortable with. Higher-risk portfolios have a heavier stock allocation, while lower-risk portfolios lean more towards bonds. Betterment automatically rebalances your portfolio to maintain this target allocation over time. Betterment also applies tax optimization strategies where possible. For example, it can harvest losses in your taxable accounts to offset gains and reduce your tax bill. This way, they're not only growing your money but also aiming to make it as tax-efficient as possible. To sum it up, Betterment has quickly become one of the leading robo-advisors because it takes complex investing principles and makes them accessible for anyone, from beginners to advanced investors. It's a great option for those who prefer a hands-off approach but still want to see their savings grow. With smart algorithms, diverse ETFs, and automated rebalancing, Betterment allows you to invest confidently, knowing your money is working for you with minimal hassle. If you're ready to make a start with investing but find traditional methods overwhelming, Betterment offers a reliable and user-friendly solution with a focus on financial growth and efficiency. It's not just an app, It's a personalized investing experience aimed at helping you reach your financial goals. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more similar videos on the way soon. Bye for now.